Okay, TrippNT, it's back in the cleaning closet. As part of this improvement saga, I'm gonna take everything that doesn't have a home or looks like maybe it hasn't been used in a while. Those 3 snow shovels, there's a handle to a mop. Actually, there's several back there. We've also got some stuff on the wall over here. I'm gonna check into that. And then I'm gonna start talking to some folks, see what we use, see what we don't use. And whatever we use, I'm gonna find a home for, and whatever we don't use, it's out of here, so I'll be back. Well, I'm not sure if all of this is excess inventory, but I'm gonna find out. But it does seem to be a lot of unused stuff. Okay, TrippNT, I am back, and that big pile of stuff is gone. Most of it went to the free to a good home, but as you can see, it looks a lot lighter in here. There's no more random stuff sitting around, and I did decide to keep the trash can, 1 dustpan, and the broom, because I'm gonna do another improvement back here with those. So yeah, guys, the next step is complete.